Hey guys, okay, so if you hear my kids screaming when I'm filming downstairs, it's muffled, but I'm in the bathroom getting ready to take a shower and they're literally trying to break the door down. Okay, so clearly I had to remedy that situation, but that is mom life with toddlers, guys. When we say we can't even go to the bathroom by ourselves, we literally mean it. But anyhow, now they've got cookies. They should be quiet for, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes. So let me get this out of the way. So what I'm going to do today is jump into the Luseta color brightening purple shampoo and conditioner that was sent over in PR. I'm super excited as somebody that does dye my hair. I have to use purple shampoos, blue shampoos to keep my blonde looking good, and I don't wash my hair every time I take a shower. I will do like a condition on it, or like an in-shower hair mask every time I take a shower, but I don't wash it with shampoo every time because my hair is dry and damaged from bleaching it. So anyhow, it is definitely time to wash my hair right now, and I figured, oh, what a perfect time to try this out. I wanted to show kind of what my hair is looking like before, clearly like a hot mess because it's been in a ponytail, but just the color wise, the blonde is getting a little yellow looking, and so it's time to brighten things up. And I will check back in after my hair is washed and conditioned with the product and dried and styled, and we will see how it works. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is directly after use. I just used the shampoo and the conditioner and then just blow dried my hair. And you guys, we'll get into like the deep dive of it in just a moment, but I just want to show you right off the rip in natural lighting before I go downstairs to finish the video. Well, not natural lighting, the lighting of my bathroom, but it's darker in the basement. So I just want to show how much that really did tone the brassiness in my hair down. It definitely gave me that icy blonde look that I love back, and the only way to keep that is a really good toning shampoo and conditioner. But we will talk about the rest and all of my thoughts and opinions on this shampoo and conditioner in just a moment. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm so glad that something brought you here, and if you're returning, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your continued support. And if you're new, I hope that by the time the video ends, you'll decide to hang around and become part of my beauty YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell so you won't miss out on my future uploads. So you guys, today I am really excited. So you saw the little snippets, so you know what the video is about, and of course you saw the thumbnail and everything, but so you saw what my hair looked prior to showering with it, and then you saw what it looked like in my bathroom in that lighting. I feel like actually I thought that lighting would be better to like show how well it brightened, but I think that maybe like having my ring light on is actually showing it better. So with my hair being actually, before I get into that, you guys, I'm getting ahead of myself. Check the description box below. I'm not sure what day this video is going to go up, so I don't know what giveaways will still be open at the time that this video goes live, but I know at least the eye method perfect brows in seconds giveaway will still be going on. But if you're interested in entering into giveaways that I have going on my channel, check the description box below. At the time this video goes live, any giveaways that I have going on will be linked in the description box below. And then to get your entry, of course, you just have to be subscribed and then leave a comment on the giveaway video, because that's how the winners are chosen. Okay, so with that out of the way, I was getting ahead of myself a little bit. So you saw before, and then you saw right when I got out up in my bathroom. But you guys, it did a really, really good job of brightening. So of course I'm not a natural blonde. I'm actually a very, very dark brunette. But I bleached my hair, or I get it bleached rather. So that being said, I do have to use purple shampoos and blue shampoos to keep the brassiness out. And I also have well water here at my house. So we live like right on the water. My house, like in my backyard, is like a stream that goes into a lake, and we have well water here. Now it's very mild well water. It's not like super harsh well water, but it's still that calcium will turn a fake blonde orange real quick. So it's really important for me to have a really good purple shampoo. And Luseta reached out to me, and you guys, I want to mention, they didn't ask me for anything. Normally, when you're going to get PR, a company will say, hey, would you mind if we send you our products and then you make a post and let your followers know what you think about it, or make a YouTube video and let your followers know what you think about it. They just said, hey, we'd really like to send you our product. Would you be willing to try it? I'm like, sure. So because of how much I actually love the product, I am going to reach out and ask if there's any way that I could get a code for you guys to get even 10, 15, 20% off of a purchase, because I definitely recommend at the very least checking them out. So they have sets for all kinds of hair care needs. So they have a shampoo and conditioner for intense moisture. They have for more volume. They have for vibrant color, which is what I have, which is like a purple shampoo to keep brassiness out of blondes. They have a clarity scalp. So if you're like on the oilier side and you really need to like clarify your scalp and that kind of thing, they have a set for that. They have a set for defining your curls, and they also have a set for taming your frizz. So whatever your hair care needs are, they've got you covered. And let me just tell you, the packaging on when you order from them and they send your stuff out, it comes in a box like this. Everything is wrapped up with tissue paper. Mine was purple to match the bottles. I thought that was so cool. Even the outside of the packaging is super cute. So the box itself, let me just read this to you guys. But I wanted to show you how the inside looked as well. I'll read it to you in just a second. And then I want to show you. So it comes with a little card. And I guess they have an app that you can download onto your phone. They have a QR code so that you can do it really easily. And then they send you a page of these stickers that are so cute, you guys. And they ask you to decorate your bottles and then post it on social media and tag them in it, which I think is super cute. But so the sticker sheet has like a full alphabet and then just super cute stickers. Good vibes, little pineapple with sunglasses, the little candy hearts, a Slurpee, a firecracker popsicle, sunglasses, rainbows, stars. I mean, literally just the cutest ever. So, I mean, that's just above and beyond. As far as I'm concerned, they're really taking the time to make sure when you get your product, you feel like a princess, like you're happy with your purchase. And now let's get into the product. So the shampoo and conditioner are both 16.9 fluid ounces. So you get a decent amount of product. The packaging on the shampoo and conditioning bottles have a pump top, which I really love. It makes it so easy in the shower to get the product. You're not taking the bottle, squeezing it, dumping it all over the place. I really love the thought out packaging all the way around. And by the way, the outside of the box is freaking adorable. It has all of these words over here, and it says lucid, lovely, lyrical, lust for life, labor of love, locked and loaded, lucky, lasting, looky here, long-legged, LMAO, limited, logged out, lazy Sundays, living it up, loquacious, I'm not sure what that one is, level-headed, and last but not least, Luseta Beauty. So you guys, I don't know, there's something about like from the packaging of the bottles all the way down to, you know, the way it's sent to you is just amazing. And then, like I said, they do have something for everybody, no matter what your hair care needs are. Now, I want you guys to take a look at not only the way that it brightened my hair. We've got these icy pieces where it was looking really yellow and rusty before I washed my hair earlier. And it was also looking really dry and frizzy. It definitely gave my hair bounce. It gave it shine. My hair feels back to life. It feels very soft. And the smell, oh my God, it smelled like heaven. So I don't know how to explain it. It wasn't like your typical smell good shampoo and conditioner. It almost reminded me of like my favorite Juicy Couture perfume, like a little bit, but not in a bad way, not in an overpowering way, just in a
freaking amazing way. So this stuff smells amazing. I would be interested to see if all of the other sets, depending on what your hair care needs are, if they all smell the same or if they have different scents. I would also really, really love to try their Intense Moisture line, or their Intense Moisture set. And I would also even be interested in trying their More Volume set, because I have very fine limp hair. But definitely my first and foremost that I need for my hair is something to keep the brass out. So that is why when they asked me to choose out of all of their sets which one I would like to try, I chose this one. Now, when we're talking price for the bundle of both the shampoo and conditioner, it's going to cost you $32 to get 16.9 fluid ounces of both shampoo and conditioner together. Now, you can also do one or the other. If you want to try the shampoo or you want to try just the conditioner, then you're looking at $16. So also, they're cruelty-free. They say they have squeaky clean ingredients. I will leave both the website for you to check it out yourself and their Instagram down below. I'll have them linked down below. And I am, like I said, I am going to, because they didn't even ask me to do anything. They just asked if I would try the product. Normally, companies, like I said, will be like, we want to send you our product. Here's a code for your followers. Make a post or make a video, and you can go ahead and be honest about your thoughts on the product. This is what they say, you know, when they're talking to you. But they didn't say anything except for, can we send you our product? And when I said yes, absolutely, they said, okay, pick which one, and that was it. So I am going to contact them and ask. I'm going to say I loved everything about your product, and I would love if I could have a code for my subscribers, for my followers, for my family, my YouTube family, my Instagram family, for everybody. I would love to have a code for them to, you know, even save 10-15% just to, you know, try something out. And so if I'm able to get through to anybody, I will have it linked in the description box below. If you don't see a code, maybe I wasn't able to get a hold of anybody, or maybe I'm not able to get a code, but I'm going to try. So check the description box below. And yeah, so this is not going to be a super long video, but I just wanted to let you guys know. I know I featured this in my PR unboxing before my trip, and I did give it a try, and you guys, I'm freaking in love. So this will definitely be something that I will repurchase and keep in my rotation. Is it going to be the shampoo and conditioner that I use every single time I wash and condition my hair? No, because I have a lot of favorites, but it's definitely going to stay in my rotation. I love it that much. And like, you can even just see, like, even the shine, the bounce, it brought the life back to my hair, and I am super grateful for that. So thank you, Luseta Beauty, and thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me for a minute and listen to me ramble on about shampoo and conditioner. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye.